Hiya, my name's David. I'm the Wandering Ponderer. I'm out. I've been wandering through the landscape of the orchestra and I can't get that tune out of my head. What tune, you may ask? Well, I'm in Abbey Lane and I've been thinking about all the music that I've been experimenting with. And no, not Abbey Lane. Abbey Lane is in my ears and in my eyes, but it's not that tune. It's the one I played in the last video because I've been concentrating on it and I've been working on it. You know what it's like when you get a tune in your head. You can't get that tune out of your head. Like the Birdies song or something like that. It starts to drive you mad. This isn't driving me mad. This is what's driving me mad is all the potholes. This is like the aftermath of the Blitz. Really. So if you ever drive down this lane, it's quite unfriendly to your car's suspension. But having said that, it's easy if you're a human. You can dodge the potholes, which is what I've been doing. I'm heading down now, Abbey Lane. Last look at what autumn is doing down by the riverside here. I've not done this end, but we can see all the berries are out. And there are some autumn flowers out on some of the hedgerows. I'll give you a shot of those when I find them. I just walked past a load of flowers as well. And there are some bees still out gathering their last little bits for the autumn. This little melody that the cellos were playing, I've been experimenting, so I wandered over to the brass section. Now brass has a different take on melodies than the mellow and melancholy sounding string section. Now strings can sound exciting, and they do, and they sound romantic, and they do. The brass can sound more military, the sound of a trumpet, hunting horn sound, or even a trumpet can give an almost South American sound to music. You know, the lone South American, remember the cowboy movies in a Mexican town, the trumpet playing the cowboys theme. And my experimentation with the brass, I've actually captured a little bit of that feel, playing the same melody, because you can pick out certain aspects of a melody and change it. I'll play a little bit of it. So you get the idea. But this is a wonderful place, this is. Some nice old tractors down here. And the horses. Yes, I remember well that horse getting out of the little girl's control. Running off. Now this is not very nice, is it? How are we going to negotiate our way around here? I don't really want to go that way, but I will stop here, pause here,